the daily work of a robotic engineer, well, has changed. Increasing complexity, tools, skills, methods, overall pace, and a new way to work in a team. Are you up to the task?
Sure.
Nice.
As a team, we lift robotics to a new level of performance. Together, set up a team. Own the components, and everything runs out of the box. Right?
No.
Okay, so what's the deal? We accept the challenge, as long as our focus is clear.
Time ETA 2 minutes. This side is clear. Telemetry looking good.
Our mission is to develop robots that can operate without intervention, using advanced AI to make intelligent decisions and carry out missions and tasks.
Launch.
These robots are designed to be versatile, and sometimes
Go off the rail.
we are able to handle a wide range of tasks and environments, putting together ingenuity, creativity, and hard work. Because efficiency
Matters.
We imagine a world where robots work alongside humans, and we accept
The challenge.
as long as our focus is clear. We keep on testing, trial after trial. Where others see a breaking point, we see an opportunity to surpass the state of the art and go further than ever before, and it pays off.
Well done, team. We've met all our requirements. Let's go again. We can do better.